So I know these crypto predictions can get insane, right? Seeing certain things at certain prices is crazy. And everybody always goes back to the same talking point, which is the fact that everybody thought Bitcoin wouldn't be worth anything, that it would never be worth $1 trillion market cap. That makes no sense for a cryptocurrency, something they're not understanding the full breakdown behind why you would use it or why you would hold it, and why it would be worth $1 trillion. Um, and when I look at XRP, I kind of see the same thing, right? I see, Ripple that's trying to rip into, and I see what I did there, trying to rip into the SEC and trying to kind of gather regulation, trying to gather all of their information so that there could be true clarity behind crypto and kind of being an innovator in this space. Um, and that's why I've always said that XRP will be worth a lot. I can't say always, right? I hate using absolutes. Um, but this is why I've more recently said, in the last maybe 2 years, that XRP is going to be worth a lot more than what people think. And XRP is going to go to prices of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, $100, 200, 500, $1,000. And I know that some of these predictions, when you see it, you're like, hitting $1,000 is a ridiculous market cap. And once you get up to those levels, obviously there has to be a larger impact to getting to $1,000 or for getting to $1,000, um, because of the fact that XRP can be utilized in a bigger way. So it has to have a way higher price, especially something that is not a stable coin, right? If it's a stable coin, it's a different story. You have different assets that are backing it that give it that value. However, with XRP, we kind of are the assets. The investors are, that asset, even though we're owning this asset, if that makes sense. So in this video, let's break down another reason, one more reason as to why XRP will reach $1,000. And I think this one, you obviously know what I'm talking about because it's in the title. But the CEO is one of the main reasons as to why this is going to reach $1,000 price point. Now, am I guaranteeing $1,000 within this video? This is something that I believe in. It doesn't mean that you have to see the same thing, right? We don't have to have the same points of view. We don't have to have the same goal to get to. But just know that during certain price levels, I will sell some of my XRP. However, I will hold some forever, meaning that some of that will hit $1,000 per coin or $5,000 or $10,000 or whatever we actually see that this gets to based on the use, based on demand. So with that being said, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to start trading on Margex, feel free to trade on Margex. I have a link to Margex down in the description, at the top of the description. And you can trade XRP up to a 50x leverage if you want to. You can trade it at a 5x leverage. You can trade it at a 10x leverage. Whatever you really want to. It's all the way up to 50x leverage. But you can trade BTC up to 100x leverage. So if you see an opportunity where it's going to completely reverse, and maybe it hit a bottom and you're like, this is the bottom, I'm buying this. Maybe put $20 in there at 100x leverage, right? $20 is something that you can afford to lose. Don't put $200 or $2,000 at 100x leverage because that is insanely risky to do that. But feel free to check that out if you guys are interested in trading and actively trading. But let's start out with XRP and where this stands. So XRP currently stands at about 60 cents, 61 cents. It's at a 33.9 billion-dollar market cap with about $1 billion worth of volume. Now we are seeing less volume than what we've seen in the last few days or weeks. We saw XRP up in the $2 to $3 billion mark for volume. Right now, where we stand, it's at a 3.5 percent volume to market cap ratio, which is not really showing the level of popularity. But again, once you get up to like the multiple billions, it's very difficult to see, high level billions or see 33, $34 billion to get to 100% volume to market cap ratio. We all know that that is a little bit of a problem there. But the reason why I wanted to bring this video to you guys is last video that I did, I talked about the ETF and how the ETF is a major portion of why XRP is going to get to $1,000. That was reason number one. This is reason number two, which is the CEO. And if you don't know, recently I talked about how the CEO spoke about the Ripple versus SEC case, which he has done. He's spoken out. But this was more recent, where you have the closed door meetings, you have the conversation behind regulation, and I think that's where his main angle is. Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple, comes out here all the time, and he's focused on one thing. Not necessarily just the success of Ripple and the success of XRP. The one thing that he's focused on, if you go through, he's going through, politically driven points. He's going through who's behind crypto, who's with crypto, who's against crypto, and what they should be paying attention to, and all of these different things. Now, I'm not for picking one side or the other. What I am for is being pro crypto, because I think crypto is the future. So when you see Brad Garlinghouse come out and talk about, the fact that we need regulation, we need to understand the crypto market a little bit more, or have them understand the crypto market a little bit more, that's something that speaks volumes to the entire crypto world, not just XRP enthusiasts, not just people that believe in Ripple. This is the bigger picture item, which brings everybody into this now inner circle, because the Ripple CEO is the one trying to, understand or navigate through this regulation journey. Right now, you have Ripple versus the SEC, and they've been going on for 4 years. And this has been a long fought battle, and we still aren't at a conclusion. However, when we do get to that solution, when we do get to that endpoint, we will and should have clarity behind what is a security, what isn't a security, what will be regulated, what won't be regulated, all of these different things that we want to see here. And again, you're probably like, how does this lead to XRP? Well, it leads everybody into understanding who the hell Brad Garlinghouse is. And Brad Garlinghouse is the CEO of Ripple, right? You will have that connection now to Ripple, which will be to XRP, which will be to everything that they offer, giving more life to XRP in general. I think with his conversations, with his talking points, and a lot of the things that he talks about referring to cryptocurrency, it definitely levels up the crypto market in such a large way, and obviously cares about the parent company, and cares about XRP as a whole and the success of those things. So is this something that directly ties to just being XRP and seeing what XRP is doing? Not necessarily. It's more about the overlords, or the person over top. Sorry, I just spit there. The person over top that kind of sees all and can change all, right? And that how that has a trickle down effect to XRP and the investors of XRP and the believers of XRP and the believers of crypto in general, that now say, okay, they have a bigger vision for crypto. There's no way that this could be something that just falls off. XRP is going to be worth a lot more than people think. So reason number two is the CEO. 100% I'm behind all of his regulation points and fight for the fact that we should see some form of regulation, but just not to an extent to where you're like, we want to be, I don't know, a dictatorship or something. We want to have complete control and just say that crypto is, or all of crypto is a security, and not have a full definition behind it. If you break down why or why not, then you can create things that are not a security, if you feel like everything in the market is a security based on this one generalization. But anyways, let me know what you think about this. Do you believe that XRP will hit higher price points? What's the highest price point that you believe it's going to hit? As well as, do you believe the CEO will have an impact on that overall price of XRP getting to an eventual $1,000 mark? Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links for, Twitter, for Patreon, for Margex down below. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.